Now let's take a look at logs. All of the logs for Radiologik are kept in the log pane in Radiologik Scheduler. The first tab is Scheduler's Log, which is a rotating log of all of Scheduler's activities, or most of Scheduler's activities. This includes doing the actual programming of each program segment. There's an Errors tab. This might be useful for diagnosing a problem. If maybe you need to copy this to me if you're having a problem and want to send that to me. And there's a Browse All, which shows all of the logs. So it has the play logs, it shows problem reports you may have submitted, and the scheduler logs. Now for the play logs and the scheduler logs, they're kept by day. So let's take a look in here, and you can see there's a log for every day, and they're sorted into the different year folders. There are also logs for the silent sensor and for stream receive. And you can right-click on one of these to actually go look at the actual file if you want to get it that way. The play logs have a default format, but if you want to change that default format, there is a way to do that. Go in the File menu, Show Radiologik folder, take the log file format file and drag it to TextEdit or your favorite text editor that can save back in plain text. And this brings up a template file, and it contains the directions and shows which replacement tags are available. Radiologik DJ reads this template and outputs using the replacement tags for the play logs. And then, per program, there is a last log pane here, so you can quickly narrow down to a particular program how it performed the last time it programmed. These logs were written to be readable by everyone, and they contain a lot of information, and if you're wondering why you got a certain result or something didn't work right, do read this log. It tells quite a bit of detail about how it's doing things, maybe why it failed, and you might be able to figure it out just from reading the log yourself. If you can't, or you see some other problem, you can copy this log to me. It's the best way for me to help you, is to see what's actually happening, what your script lines are, and how they're performing, to give an explanation. You can send this to me from the Help menu, choose Submit Problem Report, put in your description, steps to reproduce, your details, make sure to put your email in there, and then you can choose which last log you want to include to send to me, and hit send. And that's basically it for logs.